Brexit has occupied the pharmaceutical industry for years, and there is no end in sight, as experts explained at the UK Business Day. In particular, the new UKCA marking is associated with an additional burden for manufacturers. This is to replace the CE mark for medical services, for example, by mid-2023. After Brexit, the British government set new rules for placing medical devices on the market. That means a new approval system. This means some differences to the harmonized regulations in the EU. This was emphasized by Marc, Director United Kingdom and Ireland at Germany Trade and Invest, the GTAI, at the virtual Business Day UK on Tuesday. The GTAI is the company for foreign trade and location marketing and is funded by the Federal Ministry of Economics. Until June 30th in 2023, it's still possible to market medical devices that have a CE mark in Britain. The transition period will finally end on July 1st, 2023, and the new label called United Kingdom Conformity Assessed, the UKCA, will be mandatory. Since January 2021, manufacturers have been able to voluntarily use the new UKCA mark, which will replace the CE mark in the medium term for their products. For the EU manufacturers, this means above all a double burden, as Lehnsfeld emphasized in his presentation. If the CE marking is no longer recognized, additional certification according to the UKCA specifications is required. This certifies that a manufacturer also complies with UK product regulations. And if certification by an external testing body is required, it must issue a notified body based in Great Britain according to the GTAI. The previous notified bodies, the UK notified bodies, are automatically considered to be so-called UK approved bodies. This means only UK-based bodies are allowed to carry out UK conformity assessments. Northern Ireland has a special status. Due to the withdrawal agreement between the EU and the United Kingdom, the CE marking remains mandatory there. With regard to the approval procedure, the EU Commission has been negotiating with the United Kingdom since the beginning of 2022 in order to find long-term follow-up solutions. It was already reported extensively on this recently by media. In addition, there must be a so-called responsible person, that means a responsible representative based in the UK, for the sale of medicines and cosmetic products from the EU to Great Britain. This then takes care of certification requirements and product safety on behalf of the manufacturer. And just as a little reminder, since January 2021, medical devices have had to be registered with a responsible authority, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the MHRA, regardless of whether the products bear a UKCA mark or a CE mark. The British government initially introduced this provision gradually. Since this year, however, it has also applied to the last product group, namely Class 1 medical devices and in vitro diagnostics. But Lehnsfeld's conclusion is positive. Despite the additional effort, the UK market will remain attractive both for investors and as a company location. The export of pharmaceutical products has also recently developed positively despite the pandemic and increased by 6.1% last year. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.